61. Woman is a scorpion whose grip is sweet. 62. If you are greeted, then return the greetings more warmly. If you are favored, then repay the obligation manifold. But he who takes the initiative will always excel in merit. 63. The source of success of a claimant is the mediator. 64. People in this world are like travelers whose journey is going on, though they are asleep. Life's journey is going on, though men may not feel it. 65. Lack of friends means stranger in one's own country. 66. Not to have a thing is less humiliating than to beg it. 67. Do not feel ashamed if the amount of charity is small, because to refuse the needy is an act of greater shame. 68. To refrain from unlawful and impious source of pleasures is an ornament to the poor, and to be thankful for the riches granted is the atonement of wealth. 69. If you cannot get things as much as you desire, then be contented with what you have. 70. An ignorant person will always overdo a thing, neglect it totally. 61. Woman is a scorpion whose grip is sweet. 62. If you are